Good morning, YouTube. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Gotta make a trip up here to Lubbock, Texas. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Hellcat out this morning and see what it's gonna ride like on the highway. First time stretching it out that far. So I know the first thing we gotta do. Alright, I'm gonna let the car warm up for a second. And then I'll be back. Stay tuned. It's still dark out here. Then we gotta hit that 93. Still dark out here, ain't even daylight yet. With a full tank. Thing is about a quarter tank in here. Gonna pull up to one of the trucks, go get my dad, get on the way, hop on this highway to Lubbock. 6-hour drive from here. Know what that sound mean. Gotta put my seatbelt on. Just pulled off from this gas station. It can be annoying sometimes because they act like they don't want to cut off. Alright. Yeah, you can barely see. I know you can. Alright. Pulling up to one of the trucks. Yeah, see what it say right there? You probably can't, it's too dark. Yeah. Company name logo. Still in there, probably sleep. Have to get him on up. Alright, YouTube. Be back.
Few moments later.
Yeah. What's up, man? This for my goons, you know what I'm talking about? Nigga don't get out there, get down for theirs, man. Nigga can't play them, you know what I'm saying? Thanks. I'm on my way to Walmart just to buy some duct tape. Buy some duct tape. Buy some duct tape. Yeah. They think they smart, they gon' have a dumb fuck tape. When I catch you, sit you down and wrap you with that duct tape. I'm on my way to Walmart just to buy some duct tape. Buy some duct tape. Buy some duct tape. Yeah. They think they smart, they gon' have a dumb fuck tape. When I catch you, sit you down and wrap you with that duct tape. I'm positively paranoid. Pill popping Android. So I stay to myself so they won't be like damn it.
love right here. Oh, they got a need something to snack on. Busy in that thing. Know we're about to get back on this highway.
What you gonna stop to get to eat at?
Oh, we're gonna find some watch.
Yeah, I'm sure we is. Oh shit, who the hell is that? I'll talk to you later, Corey.
PB on the trail.
Go past the light.
Yeah, looks like doing it right there though. Oh, yep. Okay, that's where the Walmart at. Okay, yeah, I've been there. If that's the one I think it is, they got truck parking sign over here or something. That's the one I think it is.
Been to this one?
I think so. There's a Coca-Cola thing, I think, down the street or something from here. I think I parked here before. We is in Ameline?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cause I forget them exit numbers and all that. They were doing a lot of construction too. Yeah.
Been this Cracker Barrel before?
Watch.
Turn right. Turn right, then turn left.
No, I've been at Walmart.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't get a chance to hit Cracker Barrel that often.
Turn right,
Usually it's a
then turn
Denny's
left. Turn left, then turn left.
Whatever the TA or the petrol have.
Oh, yeah. What is that? Is that GoFo?
Huh?
It said something about courtesy side pickup.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, okay. Let me see, because I don't know what that means. Unless you want to hit one of these.
Yeah.
Whatever.
It being windy, huh?
Yep. Y'all don't feel it because y'all be lower to the ground. When y'all feel it, we definitely need to pull it over.
Yeah, y'all feel it because y'all high up though.
Exactly.
Cracker Barrel's got the best pancakes. Line, put it in the comments. Who got the best pancakes?
No, as far as I know, it's just one guy, right?
You'll make somebody go broke just on sweets in here.
You what?
You'll make somebody go broke just on sweets in here.
Yes, I will. If I'm on my way, I will. No, but see, that's how I have all the guys. I'm doing you a favor. I'm filling you up.
Yeah,
Because if you're full, you're happy.
that's right. My teeth will be hurt too.
Yes, yes. I am making you happy. I'm making your day. That's how I look at it. Are you ready for Christmas?
I am. How about you?
Yes, you know. I've been the manager here 13 years. I work hard here and I get to go see my grandbabies in Houston, so I'm excited.
Okay, okay.
Yes, that just brings me such joy
That's nice.
to know that when a week from today when I wake up, I'll see their little faces.
That's right.
Because they have way
right.
too much stuff.
That's right.
That's how it should be.
That's right. How you doing today?
It's morning. Busy.
Morning, huh? It's busy every day.
It has its days.
Oh yeah?
Like Holy Mondays and Tuesdays.
It's Cracker Barrel.
There you go.
Thank you.
That's grandma. That's grandma.
How do you want to You want fried apples or
Okay. Same thing with waffle.
We don't have waffles. We don't have waffles.
Oh yeah.
We don't.
What is that thing? What is that?
First take.
Yeah.
Oh, French toast.
Okay, and
Oh, that's bread. Hold on. Okay. Hold on with the pancake.
I'm gonna send it
Yeah. I want my eggs over easy.
over easy.
Yeah.
Fried apples or half fried apples?
Fried apple.
I'll get that right before.
Okay. I'm gonna mess with you real quick. I don't need nothing else. I don't need nothing else.
Okay.
You ain't got no oatmeal anyway, right?
We do have oatmeal. You like that stuff?
There's the oatmeal to the fried apple.
We just have like a big bowl of oatmeal.
It's a big bowl.
It's not too big, but it's big, yeah.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
And I think she's I guess. I'll go get some sugar free. Do y'all need Tabasco or anything else with that?
No.
I'll be right back.
That is like liquid crack. It's good.
That's syrup. What is that? That's your syrup. Right?
Yeah.
Both
Oh
of
yeah,
them.
that's all we gotta tell her to bring me some soul ball.
Yeah, I asked her about it.
Yeah, we good. She gotta come back out. There you go.
You only gonna give me one?
Another one? I can go get you another one. Okay, I'll be right back.
Till I was hungry. I ate everything.
You bleeding. I don't be hungry in the morning.
Yeah, I was hungry today. I didn't eat last night because I was trying to get some rest.
You was still asleep.
I actually got up about 2 o'clock.
I said what? He ain't gonna get up. He gonna go home. And he ain't gonna get up.
Yeah.
I said that.
Do you need a little bag?
I do, please.
Okay. It's going to ask you about a tip, first of all.
Okay, I got it all here.
Thank you, Greg. Is it for you or is it for? Okay.
Got 2 hours left.
For what?
In half a
To get
mile,
there.
keep left.
That's our Parkway Way.
Yeah.
160. Now see, that's 2 hours for you. For me, that would be almost 3.
That's
Two, huh? It's gonna stop. I hope. Going longer than I thought it would. Slow down.
Who?
Talking about this.
Oh.
Not you.
Keep left
No,
to
not you.
I-20
Not
west.
my back. There you go. Slowing down.
That's slowing down.
Yeah, it did. See? Slowing down. It's getting slower.
No, it's still making the same noise it's been making.
Exit to 38, US 84 west.
That's gone.
2 times. I want it on the slow down.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I gotta pay attention to that. Alright, Abilene.
We gonna stop up here.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, it's a fine tape on my side. Go ahead and get them gloves. And some, clean your hands.
Yeah, sanitizer.
Yeah.
Lubbock bigger than Tyler?
I doubt it. Lubbock is actually a college town.
Is it?
Yeah, that's what Texas Tech. It might, I don't think it's as big as Tyler. It might be, but Tyler really ain't big. Oh, it done grew, but it got bigger.
Tyler on grew, yeah, it got some new parts too.
Okay. I don't think Lubbock is big as Tyler. Now it got more open space, so it might be. It got more open space.
All right.
Keep still. That's where you pay it. Service. Mechanic only. Service department.
got it going on up in there. Look clean. Okay.
What do you see?
I think it's right here.
It's in the county home, bro.
Hey,
Yeah.
What's up?
Come to pick up a truck.
For who?
Done right. Listen, the gold.
For who?
For line. Done right.
Done right?
Yeah.
You know about done right? Can you page Mario and see if you can get him up here? Oh, he's at lunch right now? Okay, call him on his cell phone or something. I gotta finish this interview. They're here to pick up the truck. I don't know what's going on. So he's gonna call him on his cell phone. Mario, Steve, the service writer, been talking to, I don't know if you guys will
Yeah, Mario.
Okay. Yeah, he's gonna call him real quick. Mario's at lunch right now, so not sure exactly where we're at on it, but he'll find out for you.
Alright.
Now, what you talking about now? What was you looking at?
No, I was just looking how clean it was up in there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is
You've
clean.
arrived at your destination.
It's real nice up in there. Excuse me.
You've arrived at
Like
your
I got the
destination.
phone or something.
It never came up.
You trying to get what there?
On the phone, when I
It never came up?
when I had to face around the dealership, it never popped up.
Oh. Oh, okay, because you ain't know the name of it too.
Right. Great Dane, they fixing them to everybody. So this is what you doing.
Well, he doesn't want to seem to answer his cell phone, so I don't know where he stands with it. It was just a few minutes.
All
He
right.
should be back in here about 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay. It was you know, it was a ticket on the phone. It wasn't just on the detail. We didn't never get a detail. We had put it in the shop.
Well, I know.
Okay.
But he was working on that whole thing.
the whole thing. I got you. I got you.
I don't
Okay.
know. I was looking to see if he had closed the ticket in here.
Right.
He doesn't have one closed.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise,
All right. No problem.
Well, let me ask you this. I got some Lysol. I want to go spray all up in there. Can I get the key? Should be in it. So it'll open up? Okay. All right. Let me. I can be doing that.
Excuse me.
You all right, man?
Huh? Okay.
Yeah, I can walk over there.
Okay. He ain't back yet, so I can walk with you.
Yeah, but
Yeah, want to get lights all swinging out.
I'm thinking this is
Where the glove? In the trunk.
I'm supposed to put something in.
Yeah, so we waiting on Mario. Mario they don't know what a ticket is. So Mario knows what a ticket is. Guess we'll be waiting on Mario.
cousin.
Yeah.
He worked here.
All right.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Damn. He was just trying to get a Hellcat too.
Was he?
But he settled just for the regular Charger Hemi.
He got the Hemi?
Yeah.
He got it up here?
Yeah, he got it up here back in the back.
He got something on it?
What do you mean?
He put any rims or anything on it?
Nothing yet. He barely got it like 2 weeks ago.
He did? I still want to check him out.
Shit, come on then.
All right, that's what's up.
You ever shoot music videos?
Man, I produce music.
Really?
I do. I really do.
Can you tell?
I make beats. Nah, man. Oh, let me get my phone.
Oh,
wow.
shit. Oh, shit.
That's crazy.
No shit.
Yeah, I produce.
Hey. Let me show you something. Oh, my phone finna die. Man, I be making music.
Do you?
Hell yeah.
You make beats?
Nah, I don't make no beats. I just make the music.
That's what I do. I make beats, man.
I buy my beats off of this website called KidOcean.net.
KidOcean.net?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Now you need to check me out, man.
Hell yeah, definitely.
Yup. That's what's up.
Let me grab his ass, bro. He gonna be live. He's right behind the door, but I gotta go around.
Yeah.
I'll be quick though.
Alright.
You in a hurry?
Nah, shit. My father's he's spraying the truck off, so we good for a second.
Few minutes later.
This is my cousin Adrian right here.
Hey, what's up, Adrian?
What's up, man?
Chilling, man.
Adrian, he drives that done right truck.
Doing alright?
Yeah, how about yourself?
What's up? Chilling, man. Yeah. So you got a charger too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to check you out too, man. Go on to YouTube. I started a little YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? I go on to YouTube. I see you over there, Blackie. We're finna handle it there. That's my father right there.
We need to turn back, fool?
Nah, go ahead. You good. This you right here. Ooh, you black too.
Hell yeah, it's nice.
That's nice. Yeah, I like that, man. That's clean.
Hell yeah. I'm about to do the rims black this weekend.
You gonna do the rims
you
too?
gonna plastic dip them after all? I got it in the
That's
car
what's
right now.
up.
Ready.
That's what's up. Mo Power in the building.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's him right there, right?
That's what's
Yeah,
up.
I'll show you me.
Alright.
And then we're gonna go see him. What's your first name, bro?
Kenny.
Huh?
Kenny.
Kenny?
Yeah, y'all
Already.
Yup.
Already. He be making beats and everything, bro.
Yeah. Yup. Yeah, thanks,
Yeah.
man. Only two. Shit, I'm doing it now.
Little creeps in the building, baby. Already know that's me right here.
Ooh, you both part too. Look at him. Ooh, he got the Asperger. I gotta get out on this one. That's what's up. Ooh, you got the roof in here. Check him out.
Red, man.
Oh, man, you
I did
nice,
that
man.
myself. And then to match my seat.
You nice, man. Oh, check you out.
Use the mask.
Red interior.
Use the mask.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Ooh, with the wing on the back. You see the S? Yeah. That's nice, man. I like that.
I am. I want to get stopped. I'm gonna put a different thing on. Don't tell them about yours yet.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Me and my brother be trying to make some music, trying to make some shit happen, or good look entertainment and shit like that.
That's what y'all, yo, you got Instagram?
Yeah, we got Instagram, Lil Creeps, LILCR33PS on all platforms, all social media, everything.
That's what's up.
Spotify, Pandora,
Check
all that
out.
shit. LILCR33PS. Adrian, look at that. Sound clean, huh? Funky, that's yours?
Yeah.
I knew to go grab him, man. Man, nice, huh?
Thanks, y'all.
Look at the brake count. Look at that damn, boy. Look at this, how fast that hoe goes. Hell yeah, I need some good stuff inside.
Shit, I had it up to like 171. Woo. Yeah.
Coming down that road, I reached 130.
Man, easy, yo. I got off of it because I'm like, man, I'm on these 24s. I don't want nothing to happen. I got off of it. But yeah, it did it. Yup. Thanks, y'all.
So you start YouTubing for your car, or you been doing?
Man, I started YouTubing. Well, I make beats, so I was like doing it counter for my beats, but
Yeah.
I was like, man, I'm gonna mix my beats in with the Hellcat. So I was like, man, yeah, with everything. So I also got a Denali truck with a hellified system in it too. You know what I'm saying? Y'all check me out, PB on the track. You know what I'm saying?
on the track?
Yup. Check me out.
Before you leave, I'll get you a kit.
Bet. Yup.
I'm trying to get my shit to look.
Man, that's what's up, man. Hey, that's what's up. I just seen a 392 down the highway. It was green. It was nice.
Hell yeah.
Yup. They got them rolling through here?
Yeah.
Have Hellcats and 392s,
Yeah,
everything?
I seen a bucket seats and everything. Back, I seen a hey, you mind if I open the door? I seen a Challenger.
Yeah.
Hellcat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
SRT Hellcat. Yeah, that's tight. Bucket seats. And it smell good.
Straight up.
And that room was nice. Your
Thanks,
calipers came red already?
Yeah, they was already red, yup. Brembo.
I'm trying to give me some high performance shit like that on mine too.
That's what's up. That's
My
what's
shit
up.
gets it too, but they don't get it like this.
Yeah, your shit get it too. Yeah. Mopar, man. Oh, that you got the S. Oh.
We no click right here.
That's what's up. So check it out. On my bill, they said they was waiting on you on my ticket.
Yeah,
You gave it to them?
Yeah, it's sitting on my desk. Let me
Okay.
go drop them off and I'll jump all over.
That's what's up.
All right.
All right. Got Mopar in the building. See ya. So y'all some car content after all. Look at that. Like that 300. That 300 is nice. Red interior in there. 300S. Go ahead and pay this bill. Going to get up out of here. No, they don't hit me for a couple of racks. Alright, I'm gonna wait on him to come on back. And I'll be back on.
That's my whole.
Yeah, that's what I said. Let's get it.
You very well may have a code that comes up that says it needs to be replaced. Because Cummins had a problem, or they wouldn't have thrown this.
You said you got EFS check?
Yeah, so that was your studio right there in the picture?
That's my studio.
That was playing.
Thanks, man.
That beat I was listening to, just
Yup.
put it on. That
Yup.
motherfucker was nice.
I'm gonna start posting more, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, me too, man.
Yeah,
I chilled out for a whole year, this whole
Straight
COVID
up.
deal.
Yeah.
Shit, last year, when I started in October, last year, like, man, I was doing shows every weekend.
That's what's up.
Every weekend, then COVID hit.
Yup. Right now, I don't think nobody doing no show.
Well, they had one this past week
Did it?
at the Prom Vista. You know that cat O'Neal from here?
No.
No? Randall O'Neal or something.
Randall
like that.
O'Neal? I'll have to check him out.
He be putting on a lot of shows out there.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, you ever fuck with Zane?
Who?
Zane Eyes Wide Open?
No.
No? He be doing a lot of ciphers and shit for the 806.
Oh, yeah? Is he from here, too?
Yeah, he from here. Real, man. I hate to see you go.
It's all good, Mario.
Hey, yeah, hey,
You got me, man, on the PB on the track.
Got you, bro.
Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna look you up too, cause you follow me, right?
Friend request.
Okay, I got you. I'll look you up, man.
Hey, I'll fuck with you on the beat.
Get it?
Sure.
All right.
Already.
You wanna shout your Instagram out?
Already, man. LILCR33PS, all platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. Find me on YouTube with the same shit. Good Look Entertainment, baby.
There we go.